Schönen guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren.
Welcome everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the CF press conference here at the Hannover Messe. It's a pleasure to have you here. I would like to present to you what we have planned now. First of all, the CEO of CF Friedrichshafen AG, Wolf-Henning Scheider, will present to you the novelties that we present here on the trade show. Then we will have time for some questions. And for the questions, Wilhelm Rehm, member of the Board of Management and in charge of Industrial Technology, and Dr. Geisdorfer, head of the Industrial Technology Division, will also be here for answering your questions. And now please welcome our CEO, Wolf-Henning Scheider. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hanover, to the CF booth. So in Hanover, everything is about digitalization, automation, electrification. That means efficiency, cost reduction. And we at CF, we have prepared several things with regard to these topics. The motto, of course, is See, Think, Act. And what this means for you, I will show you in a minute. First of all, some facts and figures that we just presented several weeks ago. On the fiscal year 2017, we are now 146,000 employees, posted sales of 36.4 billion euro. And for me, the most important figure here on this slide, 2.2 billion euro investment in research and development, and you can expect us to increase it this year as well. Why? Because we want to bring our company forward with innovations. Last year we had an outstanding operating profit and a really high cash flow, so this is also possible to accelerate our already rapid innovation speed. So we will increase the investment even further, and in Hanover this year we prove what innovation means in industrial technology. Industrial technology plays strategically an important role. Why is this the case? Well, the industrial technology matches the other areas we have in our group very well. We can transfer technology from passenger cars, from commercial vehicles to the industrial technology and vice versa. So we have a bi-directional transfer here, and this is a perfect starting point for developing innovations for improving product quality and also improving the product features of our products. And this ability to transfer innovations is a unique selling proposition of CF. There are not many companies that have this opportunity, that have this ability. You might want an explanation for that, but when you take a look at the main industrial trends in industrial technology, then it is networking, it is electrification, and it's also automation and autonomous driving of working machines. Always considering that we want to reduce costs and be more efficient, that we want to make progress in productivity, for example, for construction and agricultural machinery, for AGVs or in other industrial applications. Our claim is, you might know that, See, Think, Act. So in concrete terms, on the trade fair, it means that we teach working machines how to see and think. And I will show you a product that already can do that. And we manage the cooperation between sensors, control and actuators. What changes with the actuators? They become electrified so that they can be used in these automated vehicles. All in all, we create added value for the customer. This means more efficiency, more quality, less costs. Very decisive is think. On the one hand, a high computational power plays an important role, and CF Pro AI is a supercomputer with a computational power that is 30 to 100 times as high as the computational power of computers that are normally installed in vehicles. So this computer can process artificial intelligence algorithms. This also means that in the application, in the development speed, we can make a lot of progress. The applications can be launched on the market more quickly than this would have been able without CF Pro AI, the central computer. And this is very attractive in industrial technology, just as in the commercial vehicle or passenger car sector. And CF plays a leading role as a system provider. The overall system for highly automated and autonomous driving is offered and is enabled. But it is also about speed, especially in the area of industrial technologies, because these solutions must be launched to the market very quickly. And this is what we do. We see two examples here. This is our Vision Zero vehicle. In a completely automated way, the technology is integrated in the passenger car. And on the other hand, we see the innovation tractor. So it is a highly automated tractor that can work on the fields in a highly automated way. And the technology in both vehicles come from the same product family. And in the next years, we will start volume production for this technology. The technology in industry can go to volume production earlier because we have closed spaces here, like a field or a warehouse. And the complexity there, of course, is lower compared to road traffic. With the technologies, we can start in the industry earlier compared to the other sectors. And this is, again, a good example how we can supplement our individual fields of expertise. So here in Hanover, we will have a world premiere. This is the CF Innovation Forklift. On the shop floor, we enable automation and autonomous driving, but I will come back to that in a minute. So what does it mean? In the background, in digitalization, we need the Internet of Things, we need predictive maintenance, AGVs, etc. And for this, we launched the CF IoT platform. It went live 4 months ago. So there we have data management, but also data analysis that the central computer is taking care of. And like this, we can combine the different business models and can, for example, offer predictive maintenance. I would like to give you one example that we tested last winter. The biggest roadway manufacturer of the world used the CF IoT platform system for its pilot roadway systems. So the manufacturer completely monitored the roadways, and we are now sure that the roadway can operate in a better way so that there are no downtimes during operation. That means our sensors and our data management system that we call ProVid ensures that we can work in a predictive way and can predict all irregularities in the operation of the roadway. We measure this via sensors in the oil system, in the vibration systems of the roadways. And based on these data in the cloud, we can calculate predictive algorithms in order to interpret if the roadway can keep up the operation in a safe way. It is also then returned to the dashboard of the operator. And we also do condition monitoring, so warnings are issued on time in order to do preventive maintenance. So you can be looking forward to your next skiing season because the biggest roadway manufacturer of the world will roll it out next year on a large extent, and all this is based on our CF system. A second example, in the wind power area. In wind power, maintenance is even more decisive because a failure, an unplanned downtime, generates high additional costs for the operator. So this is what the operator, of course, does not want to see. So on the coast of Helgoland and English coast, on the English coast, we have a wind park with over 100 offshore wind turbines that will get our industry solution so that we can do preventive maintenance. We do condition monitoring, quality monitoring, and we can also ensure the ideal operating mode, because the sensors work more precisely compared to a fixed mechanical solution that is pre-installed. So in the CF IoT Cloud, we also integrated that, and until fall this year, we will install it in this very huge wind park for Europe. Our digitalization initiative goes one step further, not only products, but also to production. A good example is the CF Call button. You might know the Amazon Dash button, and you can order your washing detergent when you just press the button. In a corporate pitch night, where our employees could mention startup ideas, we implemented this CF Call button. It is now used in the location Passau. So what is it exactly? If you work in a highly flexible production where several products are produced on the same assembly line, but the sequence is kind of chaotic, and this is what we do in Passau. The transmissions for different customers are produced there in a kind of unstructured sequence based on the customer order. So you have certain consumables that are ordered today via the Kanban system with a card, or you have a laser scanner where you scan barcodes and then you order your consumables. Now for us, the operator at the assembly line only has to press the button, and via 3 LEDs he gets feedback, and then automatically via the materials handling or materials management system, the consumables are ordered and delivered to the assembly line when needed. A very simple idea of the employees for a highly flexible production environment with which we can increase efficiency. So it shows that CF is active in all fields of digitalization and offers solutions for all kinds of industry sectors. We enable new products and also new services due to digitalizations. In all industry sectors we are active in. And I can assure you, every CF product that we develop will be IoT ready, and all products will be connected to the platforms we have established. Now let's come to the world premiere, the CF Innovation Forklift. It bundles all the presented technologies in a unique way. Automation, networking, data management, data analysis, and electrification are all combined in this vehicle. So with this, we have development from all areas of the group, and we combine them in one vehicle. The advantage is cost efficiency, it is a safe system, and it relieves the operator on the shop floor in the warehouse. So we taught the forklift to see and think, and for acting we have an electric drive. So this vehicle works without emissions. We have a camera and radar system on board for person and object detection. So we control the vehicle like that, but also zero accidents is enabled like this. And you know that the forklift truck on shop floors so far caused certain accidents. And we see also a parallel here to road traffic, because automation will ensure safety. And this is what our forklift truck can do. CF Pro AI is our artificial intelligence central computer. We connect it to the materials management system. So this automatic forklift truck is controlled autonomously and automatically by the materials management system. That means a complete interaction with the superordinated logistics systems. The actuators in the vehicle is purely electric. What is so special about that? Well, in this class, this vehicle works in, a lot of gas or diesel drives are still used. But here we have highly efficient electric systems. And like this, we can achieve zero emissions. And we can also increase the efficiency of the forklift truck. The electromechanical steering system is also a world premiere in this output class. It is unique. And all the components in this vehicle are IoT ready, so they are connected to their digital environment and are also monitored. And you all know the industry is often much harder than the vehicle business, where we sell more emotions. In industry, it's about costs and zero downtimes, high productivity. So volume production only starts when we see an added value for the customer. And this is what this vehicle offers, because it is Vision Zero. Zero accidents, zero emissions, and this is new, zero downtimes. Because also in this system, predictive maintenance analytics is installed. That we know from the ropeways or from the wind power plants. So we have Vision Zero in 3 different areas. The electric single-wheel drive for emission-free driving, and in a class, I've just mentioned it, of up to 3.5 tons. So the vehicle can also be used outdoors, where normally the diesel-driven forklift truck is standard still. Another special thing is the optimized energy management system. Due to the overall system integration, we have energy efficiency on the one hand. That means the battery charge lasts for 1 or even 2 complete shifts. So low costs for replacement batteries. But the innovation forklift truck can also integrate the loading management in the central materials management system. So the system knows exactly when there is time for the forklift to go to the charging station. We also have firmware update over the air. And safety, well, I've already mentioned that. The nice thing with this forklift truck is that we work in this closed area of a shop floor or a warehouse. But still, we use the same automation standards that will be used later on in vehicles on the road. This technology here is for us the basis to also enable automated driving later on in inner city traffic. Why is it easier in industry? Because the complexity is lower due to the protected area these vehicles work in. In a nutshell, the innovation forklift is able to complete work orders as a highly automated vehicle. It is an electrified zero-emission vehicle. With regard to networking, everything is integrated into a digitalized production network. And the materials management system, the innovation forklift, is integrated into a dynamic fleet management system. that uses the CF Cloud. We have predictive charging, predictive maintenance, and the ongoing status monitoring of the system. So you have seen examples now for the directions our company is developing into. We serve the main trends that our customers expect from us. And we have the overall competence for sensors, for artificial intelligence, up to mechatronic actuators. So we are one of the few companies that are able to offer all that. And this also extends toward the cloud, so we have really user-friendly and attractive systems for our customers. So you see, industrial technology is not only a division, it is completely connected to the competences of the group. It offers us excellent areas for learning that we then can transfer to other sectors and vice versa. So this is a unique synergy that we can leverage. So we have the right technology on hand and a compass for our customers so that they can use future technologies in an efficient way. Thank you very much for your attention.